I'm a dunderhead. I did not hit record, and I just did a whole big thing about how thrilled I was with this box, Upcrate 48 for August. I had already opened it. I had already pulled the piece of cardboard that holds everything together off. Anyway, these are the stickers for this month. Really like them. They're really pretty, and you can tell they were made with some kind of a art pencil. And this, actually, you can see the pencil in that, now that I know it's in here. You can see pencil and the watercolor markers. The artist of the month is Natalia Vasquez. And, yeah, so she did this. And I'm sure she's in... Oh, I don't have an art page. Oh, no! They didn't give me the art page, which is the magazine that tells you what everything is. Oh, I will have to let them know so that they can send me that. Anyway, this is also... Oh, it says Upcrate. Oh! New e-magazine. So the magazine, instead you scan the thing and it'll give you the magazine. And here it is in German. Now, this was really nicely wrapped, but it was escaping the boundaries of its wrapping. So I'm going to take this stuff out. I can't believe it. I did a whole video and I was so excited. I hope that we can enjoy this. Let me just straighten this. This is not repairable, this paper. But anyway, I do like to have the paper as a backdrop to my supplies. Alright, so what we got is 3 colored pencils, which are all Kohinoor, Heartmuth, Polycolor. So I am assuming they're good quality. Anybody out there use any Kohinoors, let me know. This is Cretacolor Mega Nero Soft, which is a super, super black pencil, which is really good for outlining stuff. Now, we got all of these brush pens. So this is all good. You know, I mean, they could have left these out and I would have been perfectly happy as it is, but they really treated us to a whole bunch of brush pens. So, I got light green, pastel green. Let's get all the greens out. This one looks kind of like sap green, so hopefully it is. Olive green, unless this one is. Oh no. Lemon green. This one might be more like a sap green. And that, I believe, is it on the greens. We've got a lot of greens. So for me, what this means to me is landscape, which I love to do. Anyway, this is sun yellow. This is cream pinny, P-I-N-N-I. This one is peach yellow. Let's see. This one is wood, is the color name. Got a couple of different browns. Chocolate. And burnt ochre. And we got a sky blue. Ocean blue. Get that more in your view. This one is pink. This one is rose. And this one is orange. They are the brand Art Pays, which is their own brand, but I'm okay with that. You know, some people are marker snobs and I'm not. I'm just a person who's happy to be, you know, happy to be doing everything. So anyway, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 watercolor markers. Holy crap. is so much stuff. Like, it really is so much stuff. So this is going to definitely get to my sketch bag, and I'll be using these. I love watercolors. I love actually brush pens. I really enjoy. So I also will be using the acrylics that we got 2 months ago, and 1 month ago we got tubes. But anyway, yeah, I'll be using all of those items in my sketch bag, sketch box, sketchbook. Anyway, I'm really happy to have this. This is a great box. And anyway, I'm kind of hoping maybe next month we'll get some, I don't know, gouache. I know that gouache has been part of the previous boxes, so I might not, but these are awesome. So anyway, I think I discussed price also in my failed video that I didn't hit record on. It is $25 a month plus shipping if you get it month to month, but if you get a 3-month subscription like I do, then you get a little bit of a break on the price. And I can't believe how fast this came. These things, they ship out on the 15th, and here it is. Is it the 22nd or the 21st? I don't know. My Alexa is unplugged, so I can't even ask her, but I can put the date on this. This really did not take long to get to me at all. So, you know, all the way from Germany to the United States is not so bad. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any observations on these Kohinoor colored pencils, like if you want to let me know how they work and if you like them. And, you know, if you were happy with this box, if you get it. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful evening, and good night.